Yeah guys, today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make some banana chips. Yeah guys, my banana. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel them and cut them up and make a swag on in the kitchen. Yeah, homemade banana chips guys. So want to know watch what go on in the kitchen, be a badness. And remember guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You understand me already? Yeah. Guys, stay tuned, me soon come back. I go peel up my banana them and make a swag go on in the kitchen. You understand me already? Yeah. Some banana chips today. So guys, watch what go on. Yeah guys, so over here I have some water. I'm gonna make some salt water. That means that when we peel the banana and cut them up, we just put it inside to go and soak. You understand me how I did? Yeah, so watch what I want guys. Yeah guys, so that's the salt water for the banana chips. When we peel up the banana them and cut them up, we just put it in the salt water, make them go and soak inside of the salt water. You understand what I did? So you don't know a badness. So guys, stay tuned and watch what go on in the kitchen and be a badness. You don't know Nicholas thing go already, yeah. Yeah guys, so me cut up some banana. What am I going to do now? I will cut up it, put it in the salt water, make it go and soak. Yeah guys, homemade banana chips. Be a badness guys in a Nicholas kitchen. I don't know anything go already. So guys, when you know the salt water, the salt go and soak in the banana, you understand how it is? So when you finish fry it, you have to put a lot of salt. Depends on how it tastes. You understand how it is, how much salt to put in the water. Yeah guys, you don't know, be a badness. Homemade banana chips. And guys, you can cut them round if you want, like this. You understand how I do, but I don't want my run round. I want it long. I cut it long. Don't know about this go already. Guys, be a balance in the kitchen, you know. Remember, me tell you, you don't know anything you think of. If you cook in the kitchen, give me colors. And you saw you mad up the kitchen. So guys, watch what go on in the kitchen with my homemade banana chips. So just stay tuned and watch what go on. Yeah guys, so I almost done cut up my banana then. The last 2 pieces leave. So be about this in our kitchen guys, homemade banana chips. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to light up the stove and I'm going to see what I want. You understand what I mean? Yeah. Be about this guys. Yeah guys, so see my banana them cut up and I'm soaking at the salt water. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to light up the stove and I'm going to see what I want in the kitchen. Guys, light out the problem. Yeah guys, so the pot light up the stove, pot up on fire, banana them are going to. So guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. We don't know about this already, we soon come back and make the oil go on hot and I go see what I go on in the kitchen. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, the oil hot. So I'm going to put in some banana chips, so you go and fry. I'm just going to see what I want. Yeah guys, so now I'm making them go and fry and I will see what I go on in the kitchen. Be a badness guys. Look what I go on in the pot guys. Yeah. They're going to fry up. You understand what I mean? Yeah. Guys, so stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so then I can't come out and out. You understand what I mean? Yeah. Guys, I'll be about this in the kitchen, just watch what I go on in the kitchen, you understand what I mean? Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. I made banana chips, homemade banana chips. Yeah guys, so I put in some more, you understand what I mean? Yeah. Guys, I'll be about this. Be about this. Be about this, guys. People, watch what I want in the kitchen. Be about this. Yeah. Yeah guys. Watch what I want in the pot over here. So. Guys, be about this. Just stay tuned to the finishing look on the banana chips. Homemade banana chips guys. So soon come back. Yeah guys, so these one now can come out. Yeah, me no want them to brown. You understand how these yeah. Yeah, they can come out now. Guys, I'll be about this. Watch what I want in the kitchen. You understand how these yeah, homemade banana chips. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in some more. I'm gonna see what I want. Guys, I be about this. Homemade banana chips. Watch how I go on. Guys, look what I got in the pot. Yeah. Be about this, guys. Be about this. Yeah, guys, so look what I got in the pot. Then my phone can't come out now, you understand how the idea. Yeah guys, so this is the last set. So I'm going to sew up on it, you understand how the idea. So guys, that's what I want to the finishing look. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look of my homemade banana chips, guys. You don't know about this already, see it? Yeah, very giant pretty. You understand how the idea. Guys, see you in our next video. Yeah, I'm out.